In the hills of Tennessee, underneath the hickory tree, there's an ornery rifle-shooting mountaineer. Oh, he loves a mountain view, and he also loves good food, and when he goes home to supper, you will hear,
oh, pass the biscuits, Mirandy.
pass the biscuits, Mirandy.
I'm just as hungry as sin. Pass the gravy, Mirandy. I need some soft-to-slop men. Since early morn, I've been hunting far and wide, shooting everything in sight. I shot the boys and a dozen other boys. Shooting gives a man an appetite. Bake some biscuits, Mirandy. I'm coming home now for to eat.
Well, here I am baking biscuits. Mixing the dough in the pan. Mighty proud of my biscuits. That's how I got my old man. It's plain to see I don't use no recipe. Throw in everything inside. I use some glue and some chicken feathers too. Feathers ought to make my biscuits light. Skitty up up up, trans but trans, troll you do do. Fitty up up and skip the skip oh skitty bitty bala 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 the idea you.
It's one of Miranda's biscuits. She's baking them blockbusters again. Let's get them varmints.
Then he heard a rifle crack, and a bullet hit the shack, and another broke the dishes on the shelf. Then he grabbed his trusty gun, 'cause the battle had begun, and he knew that he must then protect himself.
Oh, pass the biscuits, Mirandy.
I'm gonna load up my gun. We'll use your biscuits for bullets. We'll put them varmints on the run.
Pass the biscuits, Mirandy. They're just as heavy as...
Pass the biscuits, Mirandy.
We'll shoot the axes till they're dead.